Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Spotify username. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up to the top right hand side and we're going to give this button a click here that says Guide Infinity. We're then going to come down and press on our account. So what that's going to do is load up our account page for us, and as you can see, we are now going to press under account, edit profile. Okay, so as you can see, under our profile, we have got our username and we've got our email address. Now, at the time of recording, unfortunately, we are unable to change our username, but what we can do is change our profile name. So if we head back to the home page, cool, okay, so we are now back on our home page, and what we're going to do is come up to the top right hand side and we're going to give that a click, and then we're going to press on profile. As you can see, it has got our name here, so what we're going to do is we're going to give that a click, and then you have now got the option to change it. So if we wanted to change it to say Guide Infinity 1, we could press that and then press save. And then there you go, you can see that it has changed our profile name. And that's it, guys. I really hope that you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.